Hey my natural bitches, it's Toya here. Today I'm going to be doing for you guys my skincare routine, and I'm basically going to be showing you guys some ways to clear up your skin and get rid of acne. Now I know skincare is something that a lot of us struggle with. This video was requested a lot of times by so many of you guys, but Samantha Sylvester recently requested this on YouTube. And I just thought I would just finally make it for you guys. But what I was trying to figure out all along was I was trying to get my own routine together so that I could share it with you guys. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how I use the products, and this should help you guys to get a better understanding of what exactly to do. Please excuse the hair. It's almost wash day, so like it look like this for now. I don't know what going up there. My natural blades. So yeah, I hope this really does help somebody. So if you guys want to see some of my tips for achieving clear, flawless skin, then just keep on watching. The very first step to getting really clear skin is properly cleansing your skin. Now it might sound simple, but it's not really all that simple as it may sound. Cleansing the skin is very important because this is the root of the problem anyway. Well, almost the root of the problem. When your skin is properly cleansed, then it's easier for you to prevent breakouts and anything like that. So it's very important that you wash your face properly. For me, the choice of products is very important. Any simple old soap can't wash your face as well as, you know, soaps that have better properties will wash your face. So my soap of choice, the one that I use the most, is the Protex oat soap, and this is what it looks like. And what I love about this soap is the fact that it smells very good. It smells awesome, and it actually has like particles of oat in there, oat particles, and this is what helps to also exfoliate the face. So other than washing the face, it actually helps to remove a lot of oil and dirt. And as I said, it smells really good, but the fragrance is not like overpowering. You don't want to choose a soap that's going to have like too much fragrance and then it's just going to irritate your skin and all of that. The next step is of course exfoliating the face. Now what exfoliating basically does is just to get rid of excess oil in the pores. It gets rid of dark marks that may be caused by scarring that is left behind when you pop your pimples. It gets rid of any debris in the pores, and you can make your own exfoliators at home. There are lots of DIY recipes. I will leave some of those in the description bar for you, but the one that I use, the scrub that I use, is the St. Ives Blemish Control Apricot Scrub, and it looks like this. Now I go through this product a whole lot. I was using this one first, and of course this is empty. It's empty, so I'm now using this one right here, which is the Blemish Control Apricot Scrub. Normally when people ask me, you know, how do you keep your skin clear and all of that, this is the first thing that I recommend because it's what really helps me the most. This is a really good product. It prevents blackheads and minimizes pores. It's made from oil-free salicylic acid acne medication, so that means it's actually designed for persons with acne, and it has 100% natural exfoliants. It is dermatologist tested, and it's paraben free, so you know all the stuff that's in this is pretty good for your skin. And this is not very pricey, but it's a very good product to have, and it helps to keep your skin clear and just get rid of dead skin cells, so it's always a very good product to have. Thirdly, one very important thing that people kind of overlook very often is moisturizing the skin. Moisturizing the skin is very important because, especially for persons with dry skin like myself, I moisturize probably more than I cleanse or any other process within my skincare routine, especially for me because I wear makeup a lot. It's very important that you keep your skin moisturized because a lot of these products can dry out your skin, and that's just not good. It's just going to cause you to break out and all kinds of stuff like that. So my moisturizer of choice, I actually have 3 that I normally use. I normally use this Eucerin Daily Strength Fortifying Body Cream. This is a really good one, but this product is kind of heavy. I usually use it all over my skin, but I haven't used this one in a while, but anything that is good at moisturizing can be used as a moisturizer. It just all depends, and you have to just know your skin and know what your skin likes. But I have the Eucerin. I also have the L'Oreal Sublime Glow, which is one of my favorites, but I mainly use this when I'm about to put makeup on because it's actually a tinted moisturizer, but it's actually very good for moisturizing the skin. So the one that I've been using lately though is the Suave Skin Solutions Smoothing with Cocoa Butter and Shea. It says it softens rough dry skin, and it looks like this. So this is a very good product. It kind of feels like it's water based, so that makes it easier for me to use. I don't apply too much of this because it will make me sweat, but at the same time I do apply a generous amount because I am very, you know, my skin gets dry very easily. So I just usually just dab the product on and then just smooth it into my skin. Very good feeling. It smells nice. It's not too strong, which is one of the things that you should also look for. But anything with shea, I've known, for your hair, for your skin, it's very good. So you should, you know, practice to check out the ingredients and things that you do use on your skin. You know, couldn't hurt nobody. Also, in times that are a lot cooler, when I do tend to get extra dry, especially when I'm going to bed at night, I tend to apply some of my organic jojoba oil. And I actually bought this in a food store when I was away in Virginia. I haven't seen it here, but I'm really glad I have it, and it lasts for a very long time. I've been using it in my hair mainly, but it says here that it moisturizes and protects hair, scalp and skin. So it's actually also a very good product to have. I've been hunting this here, haven't been able to find it, but I'm really glad that I found it when I went away. So what I would do when it's like nighttime, I apply like at least 1 drop. I try not to put too much because you know it's oil and it can clog up your pores if you use too much, and it can be a little heavy. So I just apply like 1 drop and I just pat it into my skin after I have moisturized my face with my Suave Skin Solutions Smoothing Lotion. So the next tip that I'm about to give, you have probably heard day in day out, and it's really important. It's probably more important than you think because it doesn't actually pose benefits for your skin, but it poses benefits for your whole body, and that of course is drinking a lot of water. I probably drink water 95% of the time. Lately I haven't been drinking anything named juice. I'm not drink juice. I try to stay away from soda and stuff like that because I don't know, I just don't really feel for it. Ever since I started drinking water frequently, it's all I want, and to me that's a very good thing because at the end of the day it's better for me. But I'm probably sure if you guys check my book bag on any given day at any given time, I will have water in my bag, and that's just it helps me from having to purchase water on the street. Before I leave my house, I fill my water bottle with some water and I'm good for the rest of the day or whatever. I probably do get to 8 glasses a day at this rate that I do go now, but it's very important that you stay hydrated. It's very good for your skin, and yeah, it's just very important to drink water. So the last tip that I have for you guys is eating healthy. A lot of you guys, you know, you've been hearing this from your parents, you hear this from friends, people, doctors tell you eat your fruits and vegetables, yeah, but you've been hearing it for a while now and you actually don't. Now I'm not saying I'm perfect. I don't always eat my fruits and vegetables, but lately it's pretty much been, you know, all in for me. I have been eating a lot of healthier stuff. I don't really know why, but I've just been feeling to do it. You know, I'm really on this fitness journey and it's helping me, but I really want to gain weight. So you know, of course consuming fruits and vegetables are not really for that purpose, but they do keep your body clean, and by keeping your body clean, your skin is clean and it prevents breakouts. So if you eat your fruits and vegetables, I'm pretty sure it will have impacts on your skin that you will be pleased with. So of course consume your fruits and vegetables. Your vitamin C, you know, potassium, stuff like that, that are really good. Your water-based fruits with a lot of water, watermelon, pineapple, stuff like that, fresh fruits are really good for your skin, and you know, at the end of the day you'll be glad you did. So you don't have to be like a fruit junkie or anything like that, but just be sure to at least consume some amount of fruit within any given week. It's very good for you to do. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to give the video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and also comment below and letting me know what you think. If you guys have also any additional tips that I did not mention in my video that help you out, go ahead and leave them in the comment section also, because that can help somebody else. And if you're not already subscribed, you guys know what to do. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Ganja addict cologne, my boy. High grade smoker when me surrounded by TNS. When we go shop and no cough me boy. Strictly marijuana, strictly marijuana. Ganja that addict cologne, my boy.